Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the home screen and lock screen. Go to the personalization, agree and continue, allow wallpapers, agree and continue, allow. So you can select one of the pre-installed static wallpapers like this one, so you can select one of the live wallpapers, or you can just set up any other image that you can download from the internet, or just take an image with your camera and set it as a wallpaper by going to the album, then select an image. Here you can adjust this image and then just tap apply. Then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on home and lock screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.